Aishamie. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your Google AI Pro for free. Yes, Google, how to get it for free. So on your Chrome browser, click on your search bar, then you type Google AI Pro. So where you see Google AI Pro Ultra, you click on it. Then yes, we are on it. You click, then you scroll down to where you see Google AI Pro, €0 for 1 month. You click on get started. So these are for tutorial purpose. Yes, so I'm on Google AI Pro for already. So I'm going to be changing to the Gmail I'm going to be using for this tutorial, so that you are going to be understand how to get yours on your phone. So this is it. You see where you see €0 for 1 month? You click on it. Please don't click on where you see 179,000 for 3 months. Don't click on that. This is what we are going for, €0 for 1 month. So to get access to this, after you generate with all your credits, after getting this Google AI Pro for 1 month, you can still get another Google AI Pro for free. Then you click on agree. After clicking on agree, it's loading. Then it will bring you this add card payment. You click on add card. Then you add your card details. So that's it. After adding your card details, then you save it. You add your card number and year, month and year, then your card holder name, then your billing address, then save it. Don't worry, add your card, but use MasterCard. Please use MasterCard. By luck, some people use Visa card by luck, but MasterCard is working perfectly. So save it. They are not going to deduct any money from your card. So the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your subscription. Please, if this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to help my channel to grow, and share to 5. Thank you, and add comments up.